So hello folks, this is Andreas from the Argon Dental Company again. Now following our little show, our little demonstration we did of the 3D bone blocks, I show you now a very nice system, a very interesting system. We are also worldwide renowned for it, for the membrane fixation, because sometimes, as you've seen before, we need membranes not only for guided tissue regeneration, but also for protecting our augmentations. In this image here you can see we did here also some simultaneous implantations together with a 3D planned bone block, and these have to be covered, or should be covered at least, by a membrane. And you know, some membranes who really should last for a long time, our fascial Atta membranes stand up to 6 months. They should be fixed, of course, because you cannot do any suturing together with them with the gingiva, because they're simply too tight. So the idea is to fix them, to pin them, like you can also see here on this side. So now in former times we have used a hammer and a nail, which some of you might still use today, but there's a better solution. So you can see here this product, the so-called Osteo Tac. You know the Osteo Tac? It is a pinning system with 2 different strengths. You know, one step is less power for the upper jaw, which has of course a little more soft bone, and a stronger force for the lower jaw. And I can show you now, I will now demonstrate you how it works. Now I will show you the second stage, you know, for the lower jaw. Going to step 1 and step 2. With the step 2 you can see here that you can see the second line. With the step 2 we have enough force for the hard cortical bone of the lower jaw. I have prepared here the pins already in place. You place the Osteo Tac smoothly above the pin, remove it. Here you can see the pin is removed and the pin is now here in place. So see here, I have here a nice example of a cortico-spongeous bone resembling, you know, of the lower jaw. And we will place now the pin which we have here into that bone. So as we now have our Osteo Tac system already in position 2 for the lower jaw, we go directly with our pin, put the Osteo Tac above the pin, place it firmly on top of the pin. We take the pin out and it's held here by a magnetic system. Then with the pin we can place it here on the cortical bone. Imagine the membrane here above, on top. We place it on top here and push firmly so that the pin doesn't have any chance to move. So finally, if you're in the right position, just press on the release button of the Osteo Tac. Here you have the result. You have a pin in the perfect position. Now in case the pin wouldn't be deep enough in your cortical bone, here you can see it fits nicely. But just in terms, if you have very, very hard cortical bone and thick cortical bone, and the pin should look out too far, this is no problem. It's nothing to worry about, because you just do as follows. You apply pressure here on the Osteo Tac one more time. Step 1, step 2. Place it just directly above the pin in the mouth that's already in place. And push one more time and it will go even deeper. Repeat this as many times as you have the impression that the pin is fixed deep enough into the bone.